Today, we're going to talk about my favorite topic, Maya, how Maya is confusing us, bewildering us, and illusioning us, and how we shouldn't fall prey to her tricks. When we first went to India, the Indians would always charge us double. At least that's what they would tell us the price was. We didn't know that because everything was so cheap. Even double the price to us was cheap. And Prabhupada said, you Westerners, you're called damn cheap babas. Because everything in India you think, that's damn cheap. We soon found out that they were actually doubling the price. And once we found out that they were doubling the price, they'd say, it's 200 rupees. And we'd say, I'll give you 50. And we get agitated. And then so gradually, okay, 150, okay, 75, okay, 100. They got their price. We had a little fun. Sometimes we got angry, frustrated. Why don't you just give us the straight price? But now we knew the trick, so we couldn't be tricked again. And then when new devotees would come, we'd say, here's the trick, beware. So then we'd all got the right prices because we knew the trick. Maya is like that. If you don't know her tricks, you're going to pay the high price. She has lots of tricks, lots of illusions. She's the master of illusion. Prabhupada said, the spell of Maya, she casts her spell on you. I see Maya like a makeup artist. She takes something, she makes it look beautiful when it may not be beautiful. She paints it in a way that is not real. It's not actually like that. But the way she paints it makes us run after it thinking, oh, this is beautiful. This is amazing. I really love this. I really want this. That's her job. But thanks to Srila Prabhupada, we have his books. And in his books, all her tactics, all her illusions, her spells, her tricks, her strategies, etc., are being expanded upon. This is what she does. This is why she does it. This is who she does it to. This is how she does it. This is the state that you're in when your immune system, your spiritual immune system is weak and how you'll be affected. If you know that, then you know the right price. You know how to deal with it. If you don't know it, then she's going to get you. So we're so fortunate that we know that, but we're sometimes so stupid that even though we know it, we give in to her tricks. So here's the little idea I want to share today. Either Maya's going to trick you and laugh at you, or you're going to know her tricks and you're going to laugh at her saying, ha ha, you tried to trick me, but you didn't get me. So either Maya's going to laugh at us or we're going to laugh at Maya. So what's it going to be? When Maya comes, when that weak point in your life comes, when Maya's pulling on that weak point, sit back and stop and say, I know what she's doing. I know exactly what she's doing. She's grabbing me by my weak point. She's promising me something that she can never give me. She never will give me. It doesn't even exist. And I've gone there before. It doesn't work. I know it doesn't work, but she's so good at creating an illusion. She's making me think this time it's going to be different. I say, no, no, Maya, I know your trick. It's not going to be different this time. It's not going to be different than it ever has been. I don't want it. I don't need it. I've already told myself I don't want it. I need it. So you can go get the guy next door, get somebody else. You don't need me. That's how we have to think. And we should also think, if I give in to her tricks, I'm really being stupid. Especially stupid because I have the plan. I know what she's doing. It's in front of me. Prabhupada has given it to me. So, ladies and gentlemen, Prabhus, Matajis, don't let Maya trick you. Don't let Maya get you. You're too smart. You know too much. Prabhupada has given you too much for that to happen. Then you might say, but it happens. Why does it happen? Because we're not reading. We're not hearing enough. When we don't hear, when we don't read, we forget. We're easily covered. She comes and just, puts makeup on something and we think, wow, that's beautiful. It's not beautiful. It just has a lot of makeup. Good makeup artist could make even a person who's not attractive very attractive. So Maya's like the expert makeup artist. And so we must read Prabhupada's books to be reminded of that, to remember how she's making things up, and always to remember that I want to laugh at Maya, I don't want her to laugh at me. Hare Krishna.